Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use your Zip card online. First, make sure you have the Zip mobile app installed on your phone. Now open the Zip app. Inside the app, you will see your spending power and payment options. To use your Zip card online, you need a virtual Zip card. This virtual card works like a normal card, but it only exists inside the app. The virtual card allows you to enter card details during online checkout just like a regular credit or debit card. Once the virtual Zip card is ready, you will see a card number, an expiry date, and a CVV security code. These details are required for online shopping. You can copy these details or keep the Zip app open while you complete your purchase. Next, open your internet browser and go to the website where you want to shop. Add the item you want to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. When you reach the payment section, choose credit card or debit card as the payment method. Enter the virtual Zip card number, expiry date, and CVV exactly as shown in the Zip app. Double-check all details before continuing. When everything looks correct, confirm the payment. Zip will process the transaction and your purchase will be completed. After the purchase, the amount will appear in your Zip account. You will then repay it based on your Zip payment plan. You can manage repayments, check due dates, and track spending directly in the Zip app. That is how you use your Zip card online. Thank you for watching.